Regression analysis. Introduction to regression analysis. Definition: a statistic method that eliminates how response-dependent variable depends on one or more predictor-independent variable. Purpose: to model a quantity the relationship between variables, enabling analysis of how changes in one variable affects another. Importance in quantitative research. Regression is essential for prediction and interface in research, allowing us to make data-driven decisions and forecast outcomes based on observed patterns. The regression line and formula. So, sa left side po, makikita po natin yung formula. So, formula is y equals a plus bx, and a is y-intercept, value of y when x equals 0, where the regression line crossed the y-axis. So, b is slope, rate of changes of y with respect to x direction, and steepness of the line. So the regression line models and the relation between the dependent variable is y and the independent variable x. The slope b indicates how much y changes for each unit increase in x, while the intercept a gives a baseline value of y and x equals to 0. For example, final regression equation and prediction. So, final equation, y equals to 93.704 plus negative 2.536, and x. This is the least square regression line fitted to absence versus grade data. Interception. For each additional absence x, the predicted grade decreases by 2.536 points. On average, the interception 93.704 is the grade when x equals 0. Prediction example: when x equals 33 absences, y equals 93.704 plus negative 2.536 is what open parenthesis 33 close parenthesis. Y is equals to 7.48. The predicted grade is approximately 7.48. Person correlation overview. Persons are measured strength and direction of a linear relationship. Positive relation, both variable increase together. Negative correlation, one variable increase, the other decrease. R near plus 1 equals strong correlation, and R near 0 is weak or no correlation. So, bakit po matatanong natin kung bakit kailangan natin ng regression analysis? Because ito po ay nakakatulong para maintindihan natin yung relationship between sa mga variables and para ma-predict po yung future outcome na based po sa data na binibigay po or nakakita po natin. Ito rin po ay nagagamit para makakuha po ng mga information or decision, para makagawa din ng decision na totoo po or identifying kung ano po yung trends. Yun po.